Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Honda Insight. First, always ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Next, firmly press the brake pedal with your foot. Then, insert your key completely into the ignition switch. Turn the key to the on position, which illuminates the dashboard lights and powers up the vehicle's electrical systems. This prepares your Insight for the final starting sequence. To engage the engine, turn the ignition key to the start position. Hold the key there until the engine fully engages and you hear it running smoothly. As soon as the engine starts, release the key immediately. It will spring back to the on position. Do not hold the key in the start position for more than 15 seconds at a time, as this can damage the starter motor. After the engine starts, take a moment to perform a few quick checks. First, ensure that all dashboard warning lights, except for the seat belt or parking brake indicators, turn off. Listen carefully for any unusual noises coming from the engine compartment. Also, quickly check your fuel gauge to confirm you have sufficient fuel for your journey. Allowing the engine a few moments to warm up is always a good practice. If your Honda Insight doesn't start, there are a few things to check. First, if the engine doesn't crank at all, inspect your battery terminals for corrosion or looseness. Sometimes, the steering wheel can lock, preventing the key from turning. Gently jiggle the wheel while turning the key. If starting in park fails, try shifting into neutral and attempting to start again. For persistent issues, always consult your owner's manual for specific troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.